Welcome to linuxhelp.com. In today's video, we are going to see how to install October-CMS on OpenSUSE version 15.1. October is an open source self-hosted CMS platform based on the Laravel PHP Framework. It brings you the power of Laravel with the simplicity of pure HTML. We can use our favorite code editor and usual workflow for creating and updating websites. Now I am going to install required PHP extension for October-CMS. PHP extension installation is completed. We have to configure MySQL database for October-CMS. Now I am going to download October-CMS under MNT directory. Download is completed. We have to extract this zip file under htdocs directory. Then change directory to htdocs. Change ownership for this directory. Then change permission for the directory. Now I am going to configure virtual host to accessing this October-CMS. Restart the Apache service to update these changes. To install October-CMS, open browser. In address bar, type IP address of your system. Then /install.php. Click on agree and continue. Give here database name. Click on administrator. After configuring admin credential, click on continue. I'm going to install from scratch. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our Linux Help channel. For further details, visit www.linuxhelp.com. Any queries, mail to support@linuxhelp.com.